What if I told you this entire cartoon movie?
I have brought my beautiful wife home at last. Where did you find this strange woman? The river gave her to me as a blessing.
Abomination, you brought a water spirit among us!
I only want to love you all, please. I only want to love you all, please.
Pack your things and leave this village now!
It was created on my smartphone without hiring any animator, without paying for any expensive software, or without even using Grok. And the greatest part is that these characters can move, can talk, can follow the script and stay consistent throughout the entire movie. Also, people think creating a 30-minute AI cartoon requires a powerful computer, a huge budget, but today I'm going to show you how to create one for free. From generating the story, to creating the character, to animating them, to turning them into a full movie. All using what? Free AI tools. And whenever I wanted to create African folktale stories, cartoon, YouTube stories, or even your animated story, then this video might be actually what you wanted. So let's start. Hello my buddy, hello my veteran, hello my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bulu Vibes. On this channel I share YouTube tips, YouTube growth, AI tools and ways to create amazing content with just your smartphone. So today I'm showing you a complete workflow for creating long form AI cartoon that can be 10 minutes, 30 minutes or even longer. And the best part is that most of this story I'm using right now, it is free of charge. So let's jump into the video of today. Step 1, generate the story. The first thing we need is what? Is a story. And for this tutorial, I will be creating an African village story titled The Man Who Has the Weaver for a Wife. To generate the script, we'll make use of what? Google Gemini. So open your browser and go to search for Google Gemini. Or better, if you're using a Samsung phone, Google Gemini is already automatically on your phone. So simply open Google Gemini and paste this prompt I have provided, because I'll paste the quote in the comment section. Do you understand? So after I paste the prompt is designed to generate everything we need for the movie, not just the story alone, but also the character, the image prompt, the animation prompt, even the dialogue, what they will say. So once you send the prompt, Google Gemini will start building the entire story for you. Can you see it? And this is where the magic happens. This is where the magic begins. Because once you already have what you want them to say, how you want them to look like, then you are good to go with the story. Do you understand? So step 2, create the characters. As you can see, Google Gemini has generated our characters for us. You understand? We have Tunde, we have Oshun, we have Mama Ngozi. Nothing special again. We have created most of the characters for us. Do you know something special? Each character comes with a detailed description, and this is very important because we use the description to keep the character looking the same throughout the movie. Not that in one part of the movie some of them were English, some of them were no, because character consistency is one of the biggest secrets to creating professional looking good AI stories. Yes, when you watch all those stories on TikTok or any social media, you see that their characters is wearing the same clothes till the end of that particular scene. You understand? So now step 3, generate the image. Now let's turn this description into actual scene. We will copy the first image prompt from Google Gemini and head over to what? Google Flow. Now we'll go to get Google Flow. Go to our browser, search for what? Google Flow. You click on the first one. Can you see it? You sign up if you have not signed up before. Sign up. You create an account with them. After I've created an account with them, can you see? I've created some image with them. Can you see the image I've created so far? Can you see it? You have created an image, then you click on what? You place the program that come from Google Gemini into what? Google Flow. And you select what? 16 by 9 ratio. If you are creating YouTube video, if you are creating TikTok, Instagram, any other video, you don't select 16 by 9, you select 9 by 16. You see each one aspect ratio, you see them. Then you send it. The way you send it, make sure that it's YouTube standard. It's not like it's TikTok standard you want to use. No. If it's YouTube short, it's 9 by 16 ratio. If it's TikTok, 9 by 16 ratio, then generate the image. After a few moments, you will get several image options. Choose the one that perfectly fits your story and download it. And by the way, please don't skip any part of this video, because later in this video I'll show you simple tricks that keeps your character consistent from scene 1 all the way to scene 15. And that is something most people get wrong. You understand? So don't skip any part in this video. After the image created, you download it. So don't skip any part in this video. So step 4, animate the image. Now it is time to bring your image to life. So what I'm going to do, we'll upload the image into Queen. Go to our browser, search for Queen AI, create an account with them. After I've created an account with them, click on what? Queen Studio, then login. Queen Studio or Queen Chat, login there. Send the link to your Gmail, sign into there, or you shall get it. This is a very simple logic. Either you log in or you go back to the previous page, then it's automatically login. It's simple. It's more of like ChatGPT. Then we'll upload the image into Queen. Then return back to Google Gemini and copy the speech and animation block. You understand? When you click on it, you click on that plus icon and click on create videos. Can you see it? Because this application is to create image generation, video generation. Can you see them? For image generation, video generation, you copy what? The icon. You do what? You paste it to Queen, you put the, just look as I'm doing it. Before you click on the plus icon, click on create videos, paste the prompts, include your image. Can you see it? Then send it. This should not take long, but sometimes anytime you are creating on Queen, you don't have to leave the website, because if you leave the website, it's not going to work again, to have issue. So you don't leave the Queen website till it's generated. That's it. It's just few minutes. Well, so a few seconds, not even up to a minute. Few seconds. Then you have what? After it's done, you have what? A talking animated scene. You understand? Now, step 5. Sorry, you download to your phone. After you have done it, you download to your phone. Step 5. Keep characters consistent. Do you remember the trick I promised I will show you in the beginning? Here it is. When creating scene 2, scene 3, every scene apart from scene 1, always upload the previous image as a reference image. This tells the AI to continue from the previous scene. Because if you don't do this, your character may change faces, may even change clothes, or even their appearance will completely change. That is what AI cartoon. That's what makes AI cartoon look unrealistic. Because that's what makes this image so this image is AI. No, you upload the previous one as a what? As a image reference. You understand? So let me quickly show what I'm saying. Go to your Google Flow, click on this one, paste it. That's the image, paste the prompt for the next one. I see them. That is how to create as a reference image. Can you see? That is how to do it. So now, step 6, combine everything. once you have generated all your scenes so far, open CapCut, import all the video one by one, arrange them in orderly manner, add transition where necessary, add timing. Let me clearly edit the video for you. And this all this editing part, I'm meant to even make it because editing on CapCut is simple as ABC. I don't want to make this interesting. Makes sense. G shock, gravity, the flyer, triple G shock, top solar, wave conceptor. So after I finish editing it, we export it. And just like that, we have created our own AI cartoon using just only our smartphone. Do you understand? So if this tutorial help you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And tell me if you like the complete Google Gemini prompt that I'm using for my channel. Tell me in the comment section. Type prompts in the comment section, and I will help you to paste it there. But I promise to paste it the normal. But still tell me in the comment section in case I forget, because sometimes I might generate SEO description on the road that I might have forgotten. So just tell me in the comment section anytime you watch this video. So thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to check out my playlist, because my playlist contains YouTube tips, YouTube tutorials, everything you know about YouTube, AI content, and so many things you will love to check out about my channel. Because my name is Bulu Vibes, and I'm in all these videos and also in some collaboration. And what? I'll see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Bulu Vibes. Bye bye.